Hey, it's David C. with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
We have a great new listing here at 1430 Meeting Street Road, right in North Charleston, South Carolina.
Absolutely, great spot, David. Everybody wants to be in downtown Charleston. They don't want the hassle of parking. We have parking right on site.
And you couldn't get any closer to downtown Charleston. You literally are here in just a matter of minutes. This is a great access point because you can jump on I-26 or you can take the bridge and be back in Mount Pleasant in really a matter of minutes.
Absolutely, 1,100 square feet. We've got a new roof, David. Really a blank canvas. You could move right in. You could also gut the place, make it your own. We've got a Connex in the backyard for maybe some storage. Like I said, on-site parking, which is amazing. A really great spot for your business.
And it's such an easy fix-up type of project, but you could take it the way it is, or you could start from scratch and do whatever you'd like to do per the zoning.
Absolutely. Great location, easy to get to North Charleston and 26. You're right down from the Ravenel Bridge, David. I can't think of a better spot in Charleston to run your business.
Absolutely. Come take a look. I'd be happy to show it to you. David C. with the brokerage at 843-364-6720.
Or give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.